Okay, continuing with our memorandum trading account for the firm for the period 1st January 2004 to 31st March 2004, debit side and credit side and our usual particulars and amount we have a particulars and amount column here. Here again I should draw up an amount column. With this we are ready with the memorandum account, and as I told you earlier, it's just fill up the blanks. We know opening stock, we have no choice, we'll have to go in this order. It's a sequential type of sum to be done. We cannot take closing stock or cannot take purchase the first line item. We should take opening stock to opening stock. Opening stock given the problem, that is stock as on 31st December 2003 is 1,80,000. So all that I'll have to do is copy. Copying we have been doing since our childhood days. Copying is one thing which you can easily and naturally do. So it's just nothing but copying now. 1,80,000, copy here. Easy, so simple. Next line item will be purchases. And we don't have any purchase returns. So straight away I can copy that in the outer column. Purchases. 7,80,000. Now that we have considered this, next line item will be sales. Sales up to date of fire by sales. We observe there are no returns. So straight away outer column, sales up to date of fire, 5,40,000. Carriage inwards. We know in the format it comes here. Carriage inwards is 24,000. Commission paid on purchase again is an expense. All expenses will have to be debited here. Commission on purchases, that is 2%. 2% of paid on purchases to purchase manager. 2% of purchases. Purchase 7,80,000. 2% of 7,80,000. 2% of 7,80,000 is, if I calculate 7,80,000 into 2%, that will be 15,600. 15,600 is the commission. Then we have our gross profit. Again, working note number 1. We'll have to find out gross profit by working note 1. We'll continue this on another sheet. Working note 1. Gross profit, the value of profit, rate of gross profit on cost is 50%. 50% on cost is equal to, we have our formula here. Coming to this, 1 by n on CP. 1 by n on CP is equal to 1 by n plus 1 on SP. This is 1 higher than this, 1 greater than n. If n is half, this is 1 by 50 by 100 on CP is half of CP, half of cost is equal to, this should be 1 greater than this, 2 plus 1, 1/3 of sales. Sales given in the problem is 5,40,000. So sales 5,40,000 is what we'll have to take here. It is 1/3 of 5,40,000. 1/3 of 5,40,000 is 1,80,000. This 1,80,000 is what we'll have to consider here. With this, we are going to total up the debit side and take the balancing figure as closing stock. The total of debit side will be, if I take a total of this, now it will be 1,80,000 plus 7,80,000 plus 24,000 plus 15,600 plus 1,80,000. That will be 11,79,600. 11,79,600. Copy the same total here. The balancing figure minus 5,40,000 is equal to 6,39,600. 6,39,600. That is the closing stock. Balancing figure. So with this, let me do a little bit of beautification. With this, we have completed we have found out what's the gross profit. We'll have to further continue and find out the amount of actual loss. That's what we are asked to do in the problem. Total loss of stock. Now coming to the second step, calculation of actual loss. Calculation of actual loss, we know as per our template. Our template calculation of ascertainment of actual loss is stock on date of fire. That is the closing stock. So I'm just going to take stock on date of fire or value of stock on date of fire. That is our closing stock. Closing stock is 6,39,600. I'm just going to take that. To this number, we will have to deduct salvage, less salvage. This amount has to be removed, and here in the problem, there's a stock which is lost with the exception of 1,24,080. That means this amount of stock has been saved. That is the salvage. Less salvage 1,24,080.